Have you ever thought about what makes a thing scary? Well, is it like something dark, or maybe something unnatural, or I don't know. What makes something scary? A bug. Is a bug scary? Is, I don't know, a spider, or why is it scary? Why do we have to feel this about this kind of creature? I think a lot of times what makes something very scary is something which is familiar to us. So, like for example, a person's head being much bigger than it should, or the movements of someone which suddenly take a different meaning when the speed is changed, or when I don't know. It just feels off, right? It just feels unnatural, feels foreign, and still familiar. So you're confused. But the thing is, I think majority of time we're the most scared of things which are similar to our conception of them. And for example, if a crazy alien would appear on television or something, you wouldn't really be scared of that, because it's just so foreign to you. You just don't have any association, no bad association with it. But when a spider appears, even if it's tiny, you instantly feel the difference. You feel that it's something that you have experience with, or at least you wish you hadn't. So again, what are you so scared of? Is it a knowledge that it might get you, or that is close and it can jump? You have some experience from childhood, for example, with scary spiders. Why a spider is so, or an octopus is not, for example? Because obviously there are a lot of parallels between an octopus and a spider, but somehow you're not really scared of the octopus, but you are scared of the spider. So why? I'm asking you why, to think about why that is, and knowing that, what are you gonna do when you wanna design something like really scary? So right now I'm obviously drawing some kind of spider, right? It's pretty clear, I think, from what I'm doing. The question is, what should I do to make it scarier? So some tricks are to make it large, and this is my goal here, to make it large, to make it unusually large, like covering the whole, basically not letting you escape at all. And the second one is giving you all kinds of sorry, it's a little hard to make scary things and to speak and to make it as scary as possible. So you can assume kind of how this monster is by the way he takes the space, and how he looks, how close he is to you. It's not easy. It's not easy to make something scary, but I strongly advise you to test it out for yourself, because doing something scary is not really just about scaring people, but it's also about the environment around it, the mood, the atmosphere. So I strongly advise you to think in terms of what scares you. And right now, obviously, I'm just doing two values, but I want something to give to this creature, to give presence, and the presence, it's a lot to do with the eyes, in the direction which they look. If I make it, for example, like this, you'll not be scared. You'll be like cartoonish. But what makes it, I think, scary is this. So I'll try this. I'll make it smaller, the eyes, and then I'll make the so I want them to be equal, but like that, just a little. Like this. And obviously the face, it would be nice to give like a skeleton or some kind of shape like that. It's really hard here because it's just two values, but you can imagine how this monster would look like. So I'll make this tiny and then eat from them like that. Always look into the right side, and the right side should give you some idea of how the final thing would look like. So right now I'm trying to establish the scene as best as I can, and to make it make sense. So a good idea is to actually finish this leg, and I think I did a quite good job on the left side, but on the right somehow it feels not really ready yet. So this would be the scary spider, and you can say, "But Vlad, why what makes it scary? What makes it?" So this is what makes it scary. These things that I'm doing right now, they are not so obvious, but these are things that, well, spiders have, right? I'll talk about it. So these are like tiny things which, like hair strands or weird, how to call them, maybe I'll make it a little skinnier here, the leg, but not like that, but maybe like this, something like this. Yes, much better. And that's about it. So now I'm gonna save, and I really hope you you got something out of this of this drawing video stress slash tutorial. My goal was really to put you in the mood for something like that, and obviously if you have any questions or of any kind, please let me know, and I'll be very happy to answer. Thank you very much. Bye bye.